was the ultimate big brother. He believed that he could win souls, he could win people over by simply dedicating his life to performing gospel music. He loved hard. He loved everybody, every aspect of his life where there was a relationship. He really put his all into it. But that voice, that gift is silenced. They offered, they said, Jarius, you can come, and his son can come to the hospital. I was going to do it. My wife, who's a nurse, knew that it would be safe. But my family, my siblings, they said, don't do it. We don't want to lose another.
Dr. Brandon McCray was 52 years old, the 46th person in Wyandotte County known to have died from COVID-19.
But Brandon loved educating. He was a certified teacher, music teacher, had his master's degree in education as well.
Despite his many successes, McCray worked as a substitute teacher and in other freelance jobs. He lacked health insurance until the Affordable Care Act passed.
66104 is considered one of those poorest zip codes in the state of Kansas.
Inside one of the state's poorest counties. As of mid-July, COVID-19 has taken 88 lives in Wyandotte. At least 41 were Black. Statewide, Black and African American Kansans have been about 3 to 4 times more likely to die from COVID-19 than people of any other race or ethnicity. It shouldn't be this way, Jarius says, in KCK or anywhere else for that matter.
We seem to move almost when it's too late. That's a concern, not only here in Kansas, but it's a concern around the country. You see that. You see people of color, not only African American citizens, but you see my Latino brothers and sisters and our Native American, our indigenous people who are also getting hit hard by COVID-19.
The unified government of Wyandotte County and Kansas City, Kansas has launched a health equity task force to combat not only the pandemic, but some of the underlying conditions that make COVID-19 so deadly there. McCray's death reminds us of the stakes. His absence is not only a painful loss for his family, it's a loss for the community, who will no longer have his musical and teaching talents to inspire others.
Well, you're missing out on a person who was willing to sacrifice his comfort for the enjoyment of others. A person who had a gift that impacted people in such a broad level. We both believed that if it's going to change, if the community is going to change and the outlook of who we are in Wyandotte County is going to change, then we have to be the change agents.